Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a customer payments in Odoo Accounting software. This can be useful when a payment was entered twice, linked to the wrong customer, recorded with incorrect information, or created accidentally. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so you can follow along inside your own Odoo account without any confusion. If you need to remove a payment entry that was added by mistake or is no longer needed, Odoo gives you a quick way to do that directly from the customer payments list. Before deleting anything, remember that payment records may be connected to invoices, journal entries, or reconciliation activity, so it is important to review the payment carefully. To begin, open Odoo and go to the Accounting app. This is where you manage financial activity, including invoices, payments, and customer transactions. You may need accounting or administrator permissions to delete payment records, so check your access level if some options are unavailable. Once you're inside the accounting area, look to the top left toolbar and click on Customers. This section contains the accounting records related to your customers, so it's the right place to go when you want to work with payments they've made. It also helps keep customer-related transactions separate from vendor bills and outgoing payments. After clicking Customers, select Payments. This will take you to the Payments page, where you can review the customer payments currently recorded in the system. Depending on your Odoo version and setup, you may be able to use filters, search terms, or grouping options to find a specific payment more quickly. On this screen, you'll see a list of payments, along with useful information such as their status and other payment details. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct record before deleting anything, especially if you have multiple payments with similar amounts or dates. Check details such as the customer name, payment date, amount, payment method, reference number, and current status. Once you find the payment you want to remove, select it by checking the box next to that payment. This tells Odoo which record you want to apply an action to. Be careful not to select multiple payments unless you intentionally want to perform the same action on all of them. After that, go to the top of the page and click Actions. A drop-down menu will appear with different options you can perform on the selected payment. The available actions may vary depending on the payment status, your permissions, and the version of Odoo you are using. From that menu, choose Delete. As soon as you do that, the customer payment will be deleted from the list. Odoo may display a confirmation message before completing the deletion, so review the selected record one final time before confirming. If the payment has already been posted or reconciled, you may need to reset, cancel, or unreconcile it before the delete option becomes available. And that's it! You've successfully removed a customer payment in Odoo Accounting software. You can refresh the payments page or search for the payment reference again to confirm that the record is no longer listed. One quick tip before you finish: always double-check that you're deleting the right payment, since removing the wrong one could affect your records and reporting. If you're working in a shared accounting environment, it's also a good idea to confirm whether the payment is still needed before deleting it. You may also want to keep a note or supporting record explaining why the payment was removed, especially when your accounting activity is reviewed by multiple team members. That's the full process. Go to the Accounting app, open Customers, choose Payments, select the payment you want to remove, click Actions, and then choose Delete. If Odoo does not allow the deletion, review the payment status and any linked invoice or reconciliation before trying again.